and girls. I am so happy to see all of you here because I am just praising the Lord because God is powerful. Can you say awesome? Awesome. God is powerful. My name is Quintana, and I was born in Israel. But you see, the Syrians came and took me away from my family, and I was very, very sad. Can you say boo-hoo-hoo? I miss my mom, I miss my dad, and they took me to Syria. But you know, I got to live with this wonderful, wonderful couple, Mr. Naaman and Miss Naaman, and I was a little maid. And they had me bring in the water, they had me bring in the food, and they took good care of me because I was far away from my home. And then one day I saw Miss Naaman over there, and she was sad because the captain of the army, Naaman, was a leper. Do any of you know who a leper is or what a leper has? Right here. Who is a leper?
Someone who has the skin disease.
Oh my, a skin disease with sores and pus and yucky stuff coming out. Can you say yucky? And if you were a leper, you couldn't stay where you were. You had to move away. So Miss Naaman was so sad, and she was sitting there. And then I said to her, well, if only the prophet Elisha, who is in Israel, could come and help. So when she heard Israel, she thought I was talking about the king of Israel. So they decided to send a letter to the king of Israel, and the king was like, who do they think I am? And he tore off his clothes and he said, I can't heal anybody. What is this they're talking about? Me, the king of Israel, come and heal somebody of leprosy? No way. So then Elisha heard how the king was tearing off his clothes because he didn't want to heal someone. So Elisha said, just send them to me. So Naaman went with all his helpers to Elisha to get help for his leprosy. So when they got to Elisha's house, wherever he lived, Elisha sent out his helper. Go dip over there in the river 7 times. What? Me, the captain? Someone strong like me? Why can't I go to the lakes over there? Why can't I go to Albana over there? Huh? Why do I have to go to that dirty place to dip? Doesn't he know who I am? And then his helper said,
sir, if he told you to go and give away all your silver, you would do that, huh? You do that, right? He's just telling you, go dip, go dip, go dip, go.
So, let me come on up here. Let's see if we could find the river. Come on, Miss Viomi, bring the river. And of course, we need Naaman. Who's going to be Naaman? Oh, come on up. What's your name? Come on up. Let's come on up here. All right, this is Naaman. How old are you?
4.
What's your name?
AJ.
What?
AJ.
Oh, this is AJ. Well, AJ, this is the river. Look, it even has holes in it, dirt in it, dirty, stinking river. You're going to go behind that river. Go, 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 go. So this is Naaman. Everybody say, Naaman. Naaman. Okay, stand up. Hold it like this. That's like that. Okay, come on closer to the river. Don't be afraid. All right. Now we're going to count. How many times does he have to dip? Okay, you ready for this, Naaman? Okay, he's going to dip. Okay, go down 1 time. Go down. 1, come back up. Is he clean? No, he's still not clean. We said 7. Come on, Naaman. You could do this. Okay, let's count. Go down. Go down. Go down again. 2. Go down. Let's count. That's 2. Come on up. Up. Go down again. 3. Come on. Up. 4. Okay, Naaman, check your skin. Are you clean? No. How many times did we say? How many more to go? 3. Go ahead. 5. Go ahead. Go ahead. Jump up and down. Do some jumping jacks. He's healed. God is powerful. Can you say awesome? Only God could perform that miracle. Come on over here. Come here, AJ. He's like he's ready to jump rope. Stand right here. AJ, look at your skin. It's nice and soft and clean. And who healed you of this leprosy? Was it the river or was it God? You don't know? Tell them who healed him. Because God is powerful. Can you say awesome? You've been healed. Say woohoo! I'm healed. And Naaman was so happy for the power of God. And he jumped up and down, jump up and down. Come on. Yeah! I've been healed. Let's clap for AJ. And boys and girls, I want you to remember that God is powerful. Can you say awesome? God is the only one who could do something wonderful like that. So never forget that. I gotta go now. I'm coming, Miss Naaman. I'm coming to wash the dishes. Bye, everybody. Bye.